Have you ever wondered what it's like to live in a town where time seems to slow down? Welcome to the world of Bianca, Matteo, and Gabriella. In the heart of Willowville, a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, resided these three siblings. Bianca, a 9-year-old book enthusiast, Matteo, a 5-year-old with a unique perspective of the world due to his chromosome 13 deletion syndrome, and Gabriella, a 3-year-old who believed in the magic of every dewdrop and butterfly. Recently, their family moved into an ivy-draped house on Willow Street, a place filled with history and secret corners waiting to be explored. As they unpacked boxes filled with memories and dreams, anticipation bubbled within them, their hearts curious about the adventures that awaited them in their new home. As the day turned into twilight, the children found themselves drawn to the attic, a space filled with forgotten treasures and secrets. Amidst dusty trunks and forgotten relics, they discovered an enchanted book that promised a whirlwind of adventures. This was the beginning of their exciting journey in Willowville. In this new book by Hudson, The Enchanted Book, Adventures with Bianca, Matteo, and Gabriella, you'll be taken on a roller coaster ride of emotions as the siblings navigate their way through magical lands, meet interesting characters, and face challenges that test their courage and bond. Each page is filled with imaginative storytelling, heartwarming moments, and the magic of childhood. So are you ready to join Bianca, Matteo, and Gabriella on their enchanting journey? Prepare to be captivated, thrilled, and inspired as you step into the world of the Enchanted Book. It's a tale that reminds us of the magic that exists in every day and the power of love, imagination, and resilience. So buckle up for a magical adventure that awaits in the heart of Willowville.